Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on the Britannia Industries stock, and today is a special day where we are going to see the dividend which is being provided for the Britannia Industries. So let us see the thing. So if you're speaking of Britannia, so its face value of share is just rupees 101. Okay, so face value is rupees 1. Okay, now if we speak of that dividend that is going to give, so dividend is they are going to be give on 26th of August, which is very high. Sorry, it is of 8500%, which makes it rupees 85, which makes it rupees 85. Got the point? First thing. Second thing, uh, over here that it has already provided rupees 35 as dividend earlier during May, when the dividend was of 3500%. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? So very high dividend they are providing this time. So that is a very good, no, very good plus point. And this we could say is a bumper dividend of 85 rupees, and it is going to be provided on the 26th of August. So if you are interested in this stock, so make sure that you buy on or before 25th August, then only you will be eligible for the dividend. Got my point? Now let us see the return, and it is giving also very excellent return, I'm saying. So let us check out the returns. So if you are speaking for the taking the figure of 1 year, it was of rupees 2533 rupees 0.85 paise. Okay, and it has come down to 2364 rupees. Then see what a graph, it jumped to 3875. Okay, so that was the thing. You should keep this thing in mind. You should have patience while obtaining the shares. You don't feel like impatience. You must have patience. See, those persons who have bought at 3,215 and now the stock has become how much? 2,364 rupees. 1,000 rupees is less. So many people will sell the stock. So which will not prove to your purpose. You have to keep the stock always for a long run. Then see how much it has given the return. It has given a reward of 3,895, just making it double. So try to understand all these things. Okay, so that is the point. And now to come to the, so it has made nearby, you could say 1,000 rupees has increased nearby. You could say 35% has been hiked in 1 year term. And if you're taking of 30, sorry, if you're taking of 5 years term, in 5 years the money 1486, so it has become 3000, so nearby 3 times in 5 years. And we're taking the maximum figure, or let us suppose it was of 73, make it in 2000, how much it is? 50 rupees. From 50 it has become how much? 3000, it has become nearby 3900 rupees, or nearby 4000 rupees. So it has gone up to 800 times. Okay, no 800, it has gone up to 80 times. 80 times. Okay, so it has gone up to 80 times of the money. So if you do the calculation over here, so if you putting money for 1 year term, it is giving you 35% of return. If you're taking it for the 5 year, it is providing you 4 times return. If you're taking it for 20 years, it is providing 80 times of return. 80 times, could you imagine how big it is? 80 times, my goodness. So very high return it is providing you. So only one thing, patience you should have while having any kind of a stock. Okay, there is always up and down, always with the stock. So in the dip, buy the stock. Never feel no cheated in case of if the stock is coming lower down the price. Keep calm. There will always rebound of the pricing. Okay, so see the rebounding, how it is rebounded. So that is the thing. So by this I will try to keep my, yeah, by this I will keep my I will close my video. And if you like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.